Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to play pet games like Adopt Me and Pet Simulator X in Roblox. Let's get started. First, search for Adopt Me or Pet Simulator in Roblox and click play. In Adopt Me, choose to be parent or baby, then go to hatch an egg and decorate your home and care for your pet by feeding, bathing, and playing. In Pet Simulator X, start with a free pet, then collect coins and diamonds by sending your pets to break chests and boxes. Use your coins to buy more eggs, unlock rare pets, and explore new worlds. Level up pets by playing daily, doing tasks, and trading with other players safely. Always remember that be kind, smart, and have fun. Every game has something new to discover. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.